Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue. Hello everybody and welcome to jour 4, day 4 of French with Mr. Innes. You might remember in yesterday's video, jour 3, that we learnt about animals and in particular pets. Well, today we are going to be zooming off to the rainforest and thinking about animals that you find in the 4 layers of the rainforest. But first off, it's time for our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day is "My name is" in French. And for this we say, écoutez, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Can you try saying that? Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. So, je m'appelle Mr. Innes, and you? Let's try that again. Je m'appelle Mr. Innes. Très bien. And now it's time for our ooh la la vocab. So today we are going to be thinking about the rainforest. Now, did you know that the rainforest has 4 layers? Well, if you're in my class, you definitely do. We have at the very top the emergent layer, then the canopy layer, the understory, and the forest floor. Our first animal lives at the very top, at the emergent layer, and it is a parrot. I would like you to écouter 6 fois, as I say a parrot in French. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Répétez, repeat after me. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Un perroquet. Next up in the canopy layer we have a monkey. Écoutez 6 fois. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Répétez. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Un singe. Oh, is the camera on? Going further down to the understory, we have a slithery snake. Écoutez 6 fois. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. Répétez. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. Un serpent. And last but not least, at the very bottom, on the forest floor, you might even see a tiger. Écoutez 6 fois. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. Répétez. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. Un tigre. And now it is time for our fun French fact of the day. Now, in the rainforest, you might find a creepy, crawly, dangerous, poisonous scorpion. But did you know that occasionally you can find scorpions in France? In fact, I once went to the Ardèche in the very sud, the south of France. I was kayaking down the river Ardèche, and then I went to stay in a hut next to the river on the bank. And that night, 3 scorpions came into my hut. So you can get scorpions in France. Mummy. And last but not least, it is time for our song of the day. Today's song of the day, which you will find in the YouTube link below, is by Kendji, Girac, and this is called Andalouse. I hope you enjoy. And that is it for jour 4 of French with Mr. Innes. I hope you have enjoyed learning about the rainforest animals. Au revoir!